Let's solve this question together. The question says an aircraft flies from Q 25 degrees north, comma 38 degrees east to R 72 degrees south, comma 38 degrees east. Full stop. Calculate the distance QR along the line of longitude. Take R equal to 6,400 kilometers. That is the radius of the Earth. And pi equal to 22/7. Solution. Solution. So the first thing we'll do is to draw the Earth's surface. So yes, this is it. Now we have the polar axis. Let me erase and draw again, please, because I need to bring it down because of the space. Yes. Now, this is the yes, this is what? North and south. So here, this is the latitude. Here is the latitude. Here is what? West. And here is east. Do you see that? Now, looking at the question, we have two locations here. 2 points here. The aircraft flies from Q 25 degrees north and 38 degrees east. Okay? Now, 25 degrees north. 25 degrees north is on the northern part. We have it this way. So this place, you can put 25 degrees north. This is 25 degrees. Then, also, on that same point, we have 38 degrees east. This is east. So we have to draw this down. So this line, I will put 38 degrees here. This topic is very simple. Most students do find it difficult. Very simple. Now, you will see that 25 degrees north on the equator and on the longitude 38 degrees east intersect at this point. Intersect, which is when Q we have. Can you see Q? From Q we have. So the place of intersection, I will put Q there. This is my Q. Then we now move to the second point. Point R, 72 degrees south and 38 degrees east. So that is the common longitude. The common longitude. Yes. So we will not repeat that again. We now have our 72 degrees south. So I will put that 72 degrees south on the southern hemisphere. So I have this. So I can now say this is 72 degrees south. What now happen? Now you will see that this line on the south, 72 degree, intersect here with the east, with this line of longitude east intersect. So this is what? Point R. So it is this distance QR we are going to calculate. You can see this is the line of longitude. Now, what happened? Look up. See what we are going to do here. See what we are going to do here. You will see that we'll draw this place to this place. Then I will also draw this place. From this point, I will draw it to the center. Then from this point, I will draw it to meet this at the center also. So these are point R again. Then I will draw this place to the center also. Now, at this center, you call it our theta. So let me scroll up and solve. Now, so we have north and south. North and south. North, we have 25 degrees north and south. So our theta, because they are opposite, theta is equal to, since we have two opposite angles, one in the north, one in the south. So we have, that is the angular difference now. We now have what? 25. That is this 25 here, this one, and this 72. One on the north, one on the south. 25 plus 72. 72. So when we add the two together, what do we have? So the two will give us 97 degrees. Now, we want to calculate the distance. So the 38 degree is our common longitude, but we don't need it. What we need is our theta only, is the theta only we need. So now the distance QR along the longitude distance QR equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi big R. Do you see that? Times 2 pi big R, which is the length of arc we are using. So our theta is 97 degree. So I will say 97 over 360 times 2. Our pi is 22 over 7. 22 over 7 as given in the question. And our radius is 6,400. So 6,400 is the radius of the Earth. So we will multiply everything together. 97 times 2 times 22 times 6,400. So will give us 273 1 5 2 0 0. Then 360 times 7 will give us 25 20. So we divide. Divide by 25 20 equal to 103 108 rather 108 39.36. But we are told that we should calculate to the nearest kilometer. To the nearest kilometer. So to the nearest kilometer we have 108.39 kilometer. 108.39 kilometer. So this is the final answer. Now let's look at the option given. This is a NECO question. Let's look at the option given. So the answer is option C. Option C. 10839. Do you see that? Option C. That is the correct answer. Do you see that? 10839. Do you see that? 10839. So this is our what? Final answer. Do you understand? Yes. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. So if you enjoyed this class, please like, comment, and share. Thank you.